everyone, welcome back.
Welcome back.
Today is our last in this series of summer holiday yarn crafts for kids, and today we are going to be doing some weaving, making a little tiny basket. So what you're going to need is some card, a pencil, some scissors, and of course your leftover yarn. I've prepared this earlier, so I don't need my pencil. So what you need to do is you need to draw a shape like this on a piece of card and cut it out. So I used a lid to draw around for the circle, and then I just freehand drew these spokes, looks like a flower, all the way around. You need to make sure there's an odd number, that's the only thing you need to remember. And once you've made them, then you need to fold them upwards like this. And then we're ready to start our weaving. So you wanted to use some purple. Yeah. Have you managed to untangle it?
No.
No, it's all tangly. Oh, there we go, got it. Here we are, I've got it. So let me show you how to do it to start with, okay?
Mummy, can you try it?
So you're literally, it might, for younger children, it might be
Mummy,
helpful if you start it off.
Can you tie it up?
Or you can tie it on. I wasn't going to tie this one, darling. I'm just going to start weaving. So you're literally going to just go in and out of the petals all the way around, okay? And keep going. Yeah, you can try. So you might need to help them hold it up. So in that one. That's it. Outside that one. Inside that one. Oh, don't pull them out, don't pull them up. To keep it down, you pull them all up. Don't pull up. Right, you can't. You need to do it down. Look, so you can move the cardboard bits out the way to get round them, okay? In and out like this. You see? Yeah? Do you want to have a go now?
What?
That's it. That's it, that one's done. Let go of it. Now move on to that bit. That's it.
Oh, we're nearly done.
Yeah, we're nearly done. And then, because it's got an odd number, it means that you can just keep going. So I would give it a little tighten if
Can you give it a little tighten?
Yeah, and then we're going to carry on. So this time around, if you look, because it's an odd number, we're going the opposite way to how we went before, and that's what creates the woven effect, if you can see there.
Mummy, can I?
So
When I cut it off?
we don't need to cut it off, we just keep going.
Can
until
I
we
change
finish it.
colour?
Yeah, shall I finish this colour off for you then?
No, not all of it.
Yeah, all of it. Otherwise you won't really see the colour. You need a little bit to see the colour. You see how I'm doing it? Just wrapping it around the top a little bit, and then we're going to pull it tight and push it down to the bottom in a minute. So you just push it down like this. Are you looking?
Yeah.
And then carry on, okay?
But I want to have another colour.
You can. Which colour are you going to use next?
Just like that one. Soft, lovely red one.
Is it nice and soft?
Yeah, it is.
Good.
Let's do it again. All this. Mummy, I've got it.
Yeah, I'm finishing this one.
Oh, that won't finish it.
That's okay, we won't finish.
No, I want this section red on it.
We won't finish the basket, no, we won't finish the basket.
Oh,
Honestly, it won't. Ross, we're going to do that a bit of
Like, it's not like your fairy red socks.
Yeah, just like my very red socks.
I think this is Christmas on a Christmas. You're wearing it.
We are Christmas socks, aren't we?
Yeah!
They are Christmas socks, aren't they? When I was cold like Christmas.
What?
It was cold like Christmas.
Christmas isn't cold.
That's good.
Right?
Yeah.
Try to do this 6 times.
6 times. Okay, so I'm coming to the end of this piece of yarn, and I'm just going to show you how to join on your next bit.
And it's not going to be finished until we add this red lamb?
No, we probably need some more colours than that. So,
Right, I'm going to add
so if you make sure you keep it quite tight, then it will start pulling it up into a basket shape like that, you can see, and then keep pushing your bits down.
I'm going to use these two.
I mean, if this is too difficult, you can just do flat weaving, of course, rather than making a basket. But I thought it would be nice to make a basket. Right, so you just weave in the last bit that you've done, and you don't really need to do anything at all. So which colour are we using? This one?
No, this one.
This teeny tiny bit. Okay. So then you can just start where you left off, really, and carry on.
Mummy, we're going to also use this piece.
Yeah, this bit will be done. So I just
In no time, that
wove that bit on
Ooh,
and push it
this
down.
is ruby necklace,
And
hey?
just keep
Isn't
making
it
sure it's fairly taut around the edge, otherwise you'll have quite a open, like more like a bowl than a basket.
I love ruby. How much do
Do you want to have a go now?
yeah.
Yeah.
But it's kind of tight round me.
It's tied round you. That's not very sensible, is it? Don't get yarn round your neck.
I was making hairs and they're not tight necklace.
So we're going to use that colour now.
So this colour, I'm gonna. So what are the scissors for?
Therefore, if you need to cut the yarn, are you using this bit?
Yeah, I want to cut it.
You don't really need to, because we can just use all of that. It's not very long.
Is
Shall I
that?
get it started and then you can carry on? Yeah?
Snip.
So I'm just going to loop it round.
Please, can I cut it?
Yeah, go on. And this might be an activity for a slightly older child than this,
Is contact, yeah.
but it's still quite fun. We're having fun, aren't we? We're having fun? Right, are you going to have a go?
But I don't know how to cut this.
You're still trying to cut it, are you?
I cut it, can you?
Okay. Okay.
We're using
Put it
this.
down, yeah, we're using this one. Right, here. Where have we got to now? Going around this one now. Okay, you carry on from there.
Where's that one? Yeah. It has to. Nearly done.
So we've wound our yarn round and round and round and round,
Yes,
weaving in and out of each of the spokes.
Round and round a curly and curly. We're going to
And we're nearly at the top, so we're going to stop here because otherwise the yarn could easily jump off the top. So do you want to cut the yarn?
Yeah. Cutty.
Cutty cutty.
Are you copying me? Thanks.
Well done, and I just wind that last little bit in.
But then I will not finish it off.
And then it's finished. There you have it. I love
So we
lovely-
need to put stuff in it.
We do, yeah. We've got a lovely woven basket, and we can
and we
put some
also
things
got
in it.
and we've also got another thing that we need to put in.
There's a lovely use for leftover yarn. Really great for the kids to do, and just a bit of fun. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please do have a go and let me know how you get on. See you again soon.